Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, I am Ratnarani Moitro, Assistant Teacher, Government Model Secondary School, Khulna. You are welcome to Amar Ghore Amar School online class. Our today's class is class 8. At first, I am thanking you for following my classes. Shihabuddin has requested me to take a class on voice sense. In my next grammar classes, I will discuss about voice sense, suffix prefixes and other grammatical terms. So, thank you very much. Today, I am going to take a class on English for Today, Unit 7, Lesson 4. Students, can you remember what did you learn in the previous EFT class? In the previous class, you have learned about river gypsies in Bangladesh. Can you tell who are gypsies? River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh known as Bede. They live a nomadic life. Okay? Nomadic means Jajabar. In Bengali it means Jajabar. They live on boats and move from one place to another. They have no permanent living place. Today we are going to discuss about river gypsies in Bangladesh part 2. River gypsies in Bangladesh part 2. So you have to get ready with your EFT book. Students, you can see two pictures here. Look at the pictures in the EFT book. In the first picture, two boats are seen. The one is empty and the other boat has a boatman. Okay. You also can see some children here. In the second picture, you can see some children and a man who is writing something on board. It's probably be a mobile school. My boys, let's learn some new words from this lesson. Students, look at the board. You can see the first word is survive. It means live in. In Bengali it means beche thaka. Our second word is used to. Accustomed to. In Bengali it means obhyasto. Third word is inherit. It means become heir to. Uttoradhikar sutre paw. Fourth word is mainstream, main current of thought or behavior. It means Mooldhara. In Bengali it means Mooldhara. Fifth word is petty. It means little. In Bengali it means Khudro. Our sixth word is strict. it means cunning, deception. In Bengali it means chalaki. Our next word is integral. It means essential or vital. In Bengali it means অবিচ্ছেদ্য. Next word is community. It means group of people. In Bengali it means জাতি বা জনসমষ্টি. Our next word is settle. It means make, resident. In Bengali it means বসতি গড়া. Our next word is urbanize. Make area into town. In Bengali it means নগরায়ন করা. So students, you have learned some new words from this lesson. So I think you can understand the lesson easily. You will read the lesson and I will also read with you. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous water has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry season. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanently on land. The authority feels that river gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights, permanent housing and bank loan facilities. However, changes do not come overnight. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers necessary life skills to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. So, the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network. But they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional schools and hence mobile boat schools are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on boats to educate river gypsy children in some areas. Dear boys, you have already finished the reading of the text. Now, you can see there are 5 questions here. Our first question is, what are the main problems that river gypsies are facing? The river gypsies are facing the main problems. The problems are rapid urbanization, reducing waterways and lack of education. Our second question is, what is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? Uncertain rainfall and drought is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? Our third question is, why are many river gypsies thinking of changing their lifestyle? Many river gypsies are thinking of changing their lifestyle because in the context of changed reality. Okay. Our fourth question is, why can't river gypsy children go to conventional schools? River gypsy children cannot go to conventional schools because they are born and brought up boats, and they have no permanent living place. Our next question is, who are running special schools for river gypsy children? Some voluntary organizations are running special schools for river gypsy children. Why? Because they want to educate the river gypsy children in some areas. Okay, students, you have you have got some ideas about the answers of the questions. Now you will write the answers of the questions in your notebook, and it will be your homework. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.